Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Samsung 674 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 674 liters, good for large families. Defrosting type, frost-free, auto fridge defrost to stop ice buildup. Specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type side by side. Refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Defrosting type frost free. Capacity 674 liters. Number of doors 2. Coming to the warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price 77,600 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, please find the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe my Dreamview channel. Do like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.